Presenting a revolutionary technology that guides you instantly, saves your time and money, provides assistance anytime, anywhere. Plutomen ARMS, an augmented reality-based remote assistance solution. Gone are the days when technology mishaps could bring life to a standstill. No more repeated on-site service calls, delay in arrival of technicians, difficulty in discussing your issue and wasting time as well as money. Be it any kind of equipment, infrastructure issue, or machinery, Plutomen ARMS ensures that you get nothing but the solution. Introducing Plutomen ARMS. It enables you to have first-time fixes beyond the screen, no matter how far you are. Connect, call the experts and get help. Collaborate, solve the problems together. Conclude, get things done faster. Irrespective of the type of industry you're in, Plutomen ARMS is compatible to work with all kinds of organizations, and it will provide an ideal solution in accordance with your problems. Plutomen ARMS reduces customer support cost, production cost, maintenance allowances, machine downtime, increases remote support solution, productivity, operation speed, first call resolution, FCR rate. To troubleshoot faster, just connect, collaborate, and conclude with Plutomen ARMS.